So to actually derive the equilibrium in the goods market, we'll be assuming that an economy do not involve in the foreign trade. So by using the income approach, Y will be equal to consumption plus savings plus tax, making the assumption that this economy do not participate in foreign trade. Then by using the expenditure approach, this is from income approach. Then using the expenditure approach, Y is equal to consumption plus G plus I. Remember, in this case, G is the government expenditure and this is the investment, using the expenditure approach. Now, at equilibrium in the goods market, it will require that the aggregate output be equal to aggregate expenditure. So C plus S plus T will be equal to C plus G plus I. But assuming that G is equal to T, in this case, we will be having C plus S, that is consumption plus saving, will be equal to C plus investment. But the consumption in this case will cancel out to mean in the goods market, the equilibrium will be at savings equals investment.